In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Google Calendar. This process is straightforward and should take no more than 5 minutes to complete. Whether you're looking to organize your professional schedule, plan personal events, or keep track of all your appointments in one place, signing into Google Calendar is your first step toward effective time management. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details, starting with your email address. It's important to ensure that you're entering the email associated with the calendar you want to access. Once you've typed in your email, click Next to proceed. Next, you'll be asked for your password. Remember, password security is paramount, so make sure you enter it correctly, keeping in mind that it's case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. But assuming you remember your details after entering your password, you're just one step away. The final step is simply to click on Sign In. Once clicked, you should be directed to your Google Calendar. Here you can view your schedule, set up new events, and customize your calendar as you see fit. A few additional tips to enhance your Google Calendar experience include customizing your notification settings to make sure you never miss an important event. And also, if you manage multiple calendars, knowing how to toggle between them seamlessly can be incredibly helpful. And just like that, you're signed in and ready to make the most out of Google Calendar. Remember, it's a powerful tool for time management, so take some time to explore all the features it offers. From setting goals to sharing your schedule with others, Google Calendar can help you streamline your day-to-day activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you stay organized and make the best use of your time.